already. Just fluffy the egg and that's what it came out like? Yeah. Wow, that's crazy. That's beautiful, man. So I can see that you're in a boxing this morning. Why are you not in boxing?
It's time hot, man. It's hot like the fireside.
Hot like the fireside. So, hello guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Up in the Hills underneath the mango tree. And today we are in Rasta kitchen. So let's show you what's going on. Let's stop the long talking. Let's show you what's going on, guys. So look at this. So this is the new cooking stove in Rasta kitchen. Half a drum, well up together with corrugated steel. Yeah. And in it already, you can see that there's a breadfruit. Yeah, there's a breadfruit already. And right here, let me see if I can open up the pot. This is some tea. Yo, Rasta, what kind of tea are you making this morning?
Cinnamon and soursop.
Cinnamon and soursop. So that's the tea that Rasta is making this morning. Cinnamon and soursop. Just pour some oil in the Dutchie. Yeah. And let's find out from Rasta this morning what's on the menu. So Rasta, what's on the menu this morning, Rasta?
Some fried plantain with some egg, you know?
Okay. So we're doing fried plantain and
fried egg.
Okay. Oh, nice. So I can see that you're in a boxing this morning. Why are you not in boxing?
It's time hot, man. It's hot like the fireside.
Hot like the fireside. So you're just cooking that in a way that makes you feel comfortable, right? Okay. So guys, you don't know judgment. It's super hot already. So Rasta is around this furnace right here cooking. So you have to cook in a way that's suiting. Look at this guy right here. This guy is between me and hey, what are you doing? How are you? You good? Yeah. Yeah. Bless up to Althea Natural Life. Thank you, sis, for the plantains them. This is the last of the stuff them that you gave to me. Rasta is the plantains them right now. Really appreciate it, sis. Blessing. Guys, check out Althea Natural Life channel. I'll drop the link to her channel in the description. Let's go over there and show some love. Yeah. Two of these Dutch pots because these Dutch pots are more solid than the one that I brought down there. Look at that. That's the planting right there, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice. Yeah. So right here guys, all the eggs.
I don't want to do scramble them.
You want to do scramble? Anything you want to do it, man. You're the master of the kitchen this morning. So you want your eggs scramble or fried?
Fried.
You want it fried? already. This fluffy the egg and that's what it came out like?
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. That's beautiful, man. Nice. I don't know why chill on this.
No, no. Oh, first.
Working on your side. You want your side too? Okay. Come on here. Just call up on that. Nice, Russ. That is nice. That was an easy one for you today, man. It was the easiest breakfast I ever see you made in the kitchen in a long time, man. Wow. Guys, normally you'd be cooking up a storm, but this was an easy 1, 2, 3 for him. Yeah. And here is my cinnamon soursop leaf tea. With no sugar. Ras is telling me that I need to wean off the sugar, so he has been making tea without sugar. I've gotten used to it. You know, not drinking tea without sugar. You know, it's healthy, and I'm getting used to it, guys. Nice, freshly made brew tea right here. Cinnamon and soursop leaf. Yeah. So Ras encouraged me that I should, you know, take my time, wean myself off the sugar, and try to enjoy a tea without sugar. So that's what I'm doing, guys. Good morning, top of the day, top of the morning, top of the afternoon, top of the night, for all my lovely viewers tuning in. So this is the breakfast right here, guys. Let me put on my tea. Let me make a little level surface where I can put on my tea. There we have it. Yeah. So here it is, guys. Look at that. I'm going to use my hands to take out Frost, you ain't taking enough eye planting? You want more? Nice. Here is it right there. Yeah. Beautiful. Count them.
Thank you.
Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Yeah. I'm seeing the background, the mountains. Yeah. So guys, breakfast was lovely this morning. Yeah. This is brought to you by Rasta and my lovely sidekick right here. Seem like she's waiting on a piece of my sandwich. Here you go. Until I see you again on the next journey, guys, you have yourself a blessed one, a prosperous one, and be blessed on your journey. From Mannix Robinson TV. One love.